Hello and welcome once again to an iSaham video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the buy calculator at iSaham's website. First you have to go to the website and scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you can find the buy calculator and click on that. As you can see here, we have the buy calculator. One thing you need to remember is that the buy calculator uses M+ rates for all brokerage fee calculations. Furthermore, we have standard and also small mid-cap. If you're choosing a current share that is in small mid-cap, please select that, and if you have something that is standard, please select that. The difference is that small and mid-cap shares do not have any duty stamp. For you to find companies that are in the small and mid-cap range, go back to iSaham's main page and you can find it right here. Any share with this little star icon over here is considered to be a small and mid-cap share. Now, as for the calculator themselves, there are two calculators, calculator 1 and calculator 2. The reason why there are two calculators is because they give different perspectives for investors. I know it's hard for you to understand how they can give different perspectives, so let me show you so that you can get a better understanding of it. For calculator 1, I would recommend it for people who have a slim idea on how they want to do their investments. For an example, a person who already knows what he wants to do already knows that he wishes to purchase Nestle at 154. That's the price of Nestle currently, so he's gonna buy it at that price. The total quantity, he says he wants to buy 5 lots. You need to remember that the quantity here is times by 100, so it is in lots, not in units. After which, the net bought price will be generated. This is the price of the share including with brokerage fees and everything else. So after this, you can put in your sold price. Right now your profit and loss is at negative because the sold price is not written down yet. So let's just say that I bought this at 154 and I sold it for 156. That would mean I had a profit of 871.35 and also a profit of 1.13%. For calculator 2, on the other hand, are for investors who already know the amount that they wish to invest, however they do not know how many lots they wish to purchase or they can purchase. So let's just say the amount I wish to invest, let's look over here, is 78,000. Let's just say it's 78,000. Share price is 154, same as just now for Nestle, and they would recommend us to buy 5, which is exactly the amount that we were able to purchase here. So from here you can see that this calculator provides you with how many lots you can actually purchase by the amount of capital that you're putting in. So with 78,000 and with a share price of 154, I can buy up to 5 lots because the net bought price including all of the brokerage fees is 77,063 ringgit and 91 cents. And as for the sold price, I can put it as 156, the same as calculator 1, and it will provide a profit loss of the same amount, 871.35 and 1.13%. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading.